Number 5. 𝐴𝐶𝐸. The ventilation passages in the front, top and back of the 𝐴𝐶𝐸 110 PC chassis provide enough airflow while working to help create an effective cooling system. The 𝐴𝐶𝐸 110 𝐴𝐶𝐸 gaming cases, full-size magnetic tempered glass side panel provides the easiest method to assemble the parts and attach the glass panels. To create a powerful cooling system, the 𝐴𝐶𝐸 110 𝐴𝐶𝐸 PC case 𝐁𝐞𝐬 dates radiators up to 280 mm and for more on top and is suitable with 6 120 mm or 4 140 mm PC cooling fans, with a neat space design and a 320 mm processor length limit as well as a 165 mm processor cooler height limit. The 𝐴𝐶𝐸 110 gaming box maximizes construction flexibility for more PC components. Number 4. Cooler Master. Elegant design components are added to the mesh for the best possible heat performance. Minimalistic mesh design, full mesh front panel, vented upper panel and optimal thermal performance all contribute to high thermal performance potential. Flush flexible glass side panel layout. The glass is toughened. The side panel maintains the surface smooth and unhindered and is secured by thumb screws on the back panel. Support for graphics cards up to 346 mm to accommodate the newest graphics devices. There is plenty of clearance room. Depending on desire, an odd variant of the chassis is offered with or without odd compatibility. A cleaner appearance and more cooling choices on the upper and front sections are encouraged if a strange appearance is not desired. Headset connection. The single 4-pole headset socket concurrently supports audio and a microphone so that no additional supports are required. Number 3. 𝐁𝐸. Please get in touch with customer support for assistance if the screen doesn't set up properly. User ATA64 program must be bought. Size of the mesh screen version for the D31 Pinecone model is 205 by 363, 452 mm. Board MATX MicroEdX, 168 mm high order air chiller with support AIO. Top 360 over 240 bottom. Processor 3 to 400 mm PSU, a TX SFX limit 1 to 220 mm L. An 8 inches screen with a 1280 by 800 resolution has a pixel density about 188, which is higher than the 162 ppi of a 27 inches 4 Kelvin monitor. According to the real use of 50 cm to 70 cm viewing distance will not create a feeling of pixel particles. All types of wallpaper dynamic effects can leap on the screen. Number 2. 𝐁𝐸. Glacier-inspired design and 2 side vents on the case optimize airflow while keeping a sophisticated and distinctive appearance. Addressable RGB fans. This cooling system comes with 2 addressable RGB fans already fitted for effective heat dissipation, and it can be expanded to 8 fans for even greater cooling performance. Large tempered glass side panel. Easily display the interior parts of your PC through the protective, transparent 4 mm tempered glass side panel, which is kept in place by an edge protection and simple thumb screw mounting. A wide range of platforms, including eATX 280 mm, ATX, MATX and Mini ITX, are supported with a maximum processor cooler height of 163 mm, processor length of 315 mm, and PSU length of 210 mm. Number 1. Corsair. The 5000D space and versatility allow for the mounting of numerous 360 mm radiators, making it simple to assemble an eye-catching, showpiece-worthy PC and even simpler to stay cool. A huge amount of airflow is delivered to your system by a high airflow optimized steel front plate for optimal cooling. With an accessible hinged door and a generous 25 mm of area behind the motherboard for all of your cables, the Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it quick and easy to pass all of your main cables through a single concealed channel. 2 Corsair 120 mm air guide fans that use anti-vortex vanes to focus ventilation and improve cooling are included. The ability to side mount up to 3 120 mm fans or a 360 mm radiator on a motherboard tray opens up new, adaptable cooling possibilities.